How to upload a video on YouTube on your phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can upload a video on YouTube on your phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to actually upload a video on YouTube on your phone, it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch your YouTube application here. And if you want to upload videos from a YouTube mobile app, you want to make sure to tap the plus icon from the bottom, choose to upload a video, and then just select a video that you would like to upload here. And once done, you can just tap on the next option and you can edit any changes that you like, whether you want to upload this as a short or something like that. Tap on next, and now you can just go ahead and caption it and then tap on the upload option to finish uploading it. This way you should be able to go ahead and then upload a video on YouTube from your phone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.